You can easily and quickly duplicate an object or a group of objects in Surfy. For that, I'm going to go into Edit Shot mode, and then I'm going to turn on the transparency of the space background colors so that I can see my background so that I can arrange my space properly. I click on the object to duplicate, and by pressing the Shift key and the C key at the same time, I'm going to be able to duplicate my object. I put my object on the plan, and I can flip this object over to place it correctly. Once the object is placed, I can select both of my workstations by pressing Shift. I can move this group of objects, and I can also copy it either with the Duplicate Shapes icon or by typing Shift and C. My group of objects follows the mouse, and I can drop these objects by clicking on the map. If I stay with the Shift key, I'll be able to select all 4 workstations by dropping. Now these 4 stations are selected, so if I press Shift and C, I copy all of these 4 stations. I drop the group of objects by clicking on the map. If I hold down the key, I'm going to select all 8 positions. There I raise the Shift key. I just press the plane to drop the group of objects. I now have this group of objects to select that I can duplicate by doing Shift-C, and I can place all my workstations in a quick and efficient way. The same is true for simple objects. I click on my object, and I just have to do Shift-C so that the new object appears at the end of my mouse. So I can place my mouse first and type Shift-C. So by holding down the Shift, I now select the 2 objects that I can reduplicate by typing Shift-C. In the same way, I'm going to complete all of my cabinets facing in the same direction in order to have a room that is now completely furnished. I have 2 workstations left. I can take this station, duplicate it with a Shift-C, put it down, and then turn it in the right direction, place and duplicate it with a Shift-C. My space is now laid out. I can get out of the edit mode of the plane, and I can turn off the color transparency.